Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Generative Code Art. In my previous video, I have created the image of Lord Shiva, whose code was a bit longer. So today I am going to create an image of Lotus Temple with a smaller piece of code. And the visual for the same is here. Hope you guys would like it. So let's begin. As usual, I have my code with me, so let's comment it first to understand it better. As I have commented the code, so the only gray part will be visible. Here I have created the code for two canvases but used only one at a time because here I am trying to show how to create a single motif of generative pattern and then replicate them both horizontally and vertically. Now let's move to the JS part. Inside the JS code, I have created the context object of the canvas and declared and defined two variables R and K. The variable R is used to deal with the points horizontally and vertically both throughout the canvas, and K is used to deal with the points within a particular block of canvas. As of now, we know which variable is used for what. Now the time is to move toward the main part of the code. Today I have used four inbuilt functions of JavaScript, which are move to, quadratic curve to, fill, stroke, and two properties are stroke style and fill style. Now I am going to uncomment the code of baseline, save it, and then see the baseline created in the browser. After that, I am going to uncomment the code of petal present at the bottom extreme left. So save it and see the first petal is visible in the browser. Similarly, I have created the code for the petal present at the bottom right corner. So uncomment it and save it and see the changes in the browser. Now let's move to the second petal from the bottom left and right both. Save it and see the changes in the browser. After that, I am going to uncomment the code for the petal at the center and save it and see the changes in the browser. As of now, more than half of the image is created, so let's move to the code written for the top part of the image. Here, I am going to uncomment the code written for the first top petal from the left and right both. Save it and see the changes in the browser. After that, I am going to uncomment the code written for the second top petal from both left and right side. Save the code and see the changes in the Open Live server. At last, I am going to uncomment the code written for the middle top petal. Save it and see the complete visual of the image in the browser. That's it. Our motif is created for today's image. But if you want to generate it horizontally or vertically, you just need to increase the size of canvas. So to do that, I am going to uncomment the code written for the another set of canvas element and commenting the current one. Save the changes and see the image get replicated in both the directions. If you guys like the video, then please let me know through your comment, share it and press the bell icon if you haven't subscribed it till now. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new video. Thank you.